Welcome to the Rainforest Run. Complete all 3 levels to help the Wild Kratts defeat Zach. Pick one of these animals. If you see a monkey, do 2 spins. If you see a snake, do 2 jumping jacks. Level 1. Pick one. Jump every time the red ball needs to jump. When you see a sloth, do high knees. If you see a macaw, do squats. Level 2. Pick one. Hold up your finger and draw the shape to complete the level. If you see an anteater, do floor runners. If you see the gorilla, do push-ups. Level 3. Nice job, you defeated Zach. Pick one. Move left to right to get the right color. Thanks for playing, and if you haven't already, please consider subscribing.
Like and subscribe for cool